My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This vehicle has done just over 51,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers, and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen, we have key features such as smartphone integration, navigation, Bluetooth, and Honda App Center. Just below, using this button here, we can access our climate control. And if we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our wireless charging pad. And the Type R also comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. So we have our Comfort, Sport, and our Racing mode. And this is where its 320 horsepower can come into play. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.